Hello Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the process of deleting a Facebook group. Whether you're an admin or just a member, we can help. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Step 2. From your news feed, click Groups in the right menu. Step 3. Select the group you want to delete. Only applies when you have administrator rights. Step 4. Click Members, for private groups, or Everyone, for public groups. At the top of the group page, if necessary, click More to display additional options. Step 5. Next to each member's name, click Remove Member, for private groups, or Ban Group, for public groups. Step 6. Confirm deletion. Step 7. Once you have removed all other members, click next to your own name, select Remove You as admin. Step 8. Confirm your decision by clicking Leave Group again. Finally, delete the group. Facebook will not notify other group members when you delete a group. Remember that this action is permanent and irreversible. Thanks for watching.